And then he said, well, I think you're really pretty, and I like you a lot, and...
Wait. Fast forward to the end. Did you guys kiss? Hold that thought. Import pianos. This is Kathy. May I help you? No, sir. We do not give piano lessons here. Okay. Bye-bye now.
Oh, look, it's that guy again.
Do you want to go out for a smoke?
You don't smoke.
So?
Hey, it's me. No, the deal was I'm supposed to get him every other weekend. So I want to pick him up tomorrow, and I'll bring him back Sunday. You're supposed to let me have him. I know I'm supposed to, but I don't have any right now. No, I didn't. I was spending on renting another place to stay since I got kicked out. Well, maybe I could if I didn't have to rent another place to stay. No, look, I want to come by and pick up my shit. What do you mean? You better give me my shit. No, I told you. I'll give you some Friday. No, I mean next Friday. No, you better give, no, look, you better, don't be, you know what, I hate it. What are you doing answering the phone? Let me talk to her. What do you mean, who? Your bitch sister, that's who. Yes, she is too there. I just talked to her. Hey. Well, you pissed me off. No, I don't call you 5 times a day. Yes, I do. I don't have to be there till noon. Now, how would you know if I don't have a job or not? No, I don't call you 10 times a day. No, you can't. What are they gonna do, arrest me for being married to a bitch? Oh, I'm so scared. What? Fuck you. Hey, honey. Hey, baby.
What the hell do you think you're doing? I've been waiting for this phone for over an hour.
Well, I was here first, and besides, there's other phones down the street.
Hey, honey.
Fuck off, Chuck.
Fuck you, you little whore.
I'm not a whore. You're just pissed off because I won't sleep with you.
Yeah, whatever, slut.
Asshole.
Hello, Dr. Michaels? Hi, this is Paula Daniels. I'm having second thoughts about this. What do you mean about what? About the affair? About the affair you said I should have. You did too. You said it would help me, and now I have to meet this guy for lunch. You said it would raise my self-esteem and make me feel better about myself. But now I just feel like shit. I haven't taken any yet. I think I'm gonna call my husband. I know you said not to. Take one now? I don't think I should. Well, it says not to drive after taking one, and I have to drive. I don't think I should. I know you're my doctor, but that doesn't mean I have to do everything you say. I don't want to take it. I won't be so upset if I take it. I almost cheated on my husband. I should be upset. I have every right to be upset. No, I'm not going to calm down. No, just because I don't agree with what you said doesn't mean I'm hysterical. No, you're the one with issues trying to get me to cheat on my husband and take drugs. I should have known better. No, I'm not gonna come see you on Monday. In fact, I'm never gonna come see you again.
Where are you going, baby?
Home to my husband.
Wait! We had a date! Shit!
There's some change. No, sorry. You know what?
Hi. I need a little something to calm me down. No! I can give you something on Monday. I need it now. Please, promise I will give you something on... You know what? I think I can wait. Yeah, I'll call you later.
Wait! Those are mine!
Hey, baby.
Fuck off.
Hey, it's me. So, no. No. You're such a bitch. Look. No. No, that's not the deal. The deal is, I'm supposed to get him every other weekend. No. No. No, I don't call you 10 times a day. Fuck you.